Before we begin with crop rotation and mixed cropping, we should know how leguminous crop increases soil fertility. Crops require lot of nitrogen to make proteins. Nitrogen is present in abundance in the atmosphere. However, plants cannot use it directly. They need nitrogen in the soluble form, that is nitrates and nitrites. Pulses, peas, beans, groundnut are leguminous crops. The root nodules of leguminous plants have nitrogen fixing bacteria called rhizobium bacteria, which can directly convert atmospheric nitrogen into soluble form. Some of these nitrogen compounds are used by the leguminous crop for its own growth, and the rest of nitrogen compounds are left in the soil. In this way, planting a leguminous crop increases soil fertility. On the other hand, cereal crops like wheat, maize, paddy are non-leguminous crops which do not have the ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into soluble form. Keeping these points in mind, we will now describe crop rotation. Crop rotation is a method of growing different crops alternately on the same field. For example, when a cereal crop like maize crop is grown first, it takes away a lot of nitrogen from the soil for its growth and makes the soil nitrogen deficient. And next, when the leguminous crop like pulses or groundnut is grown in the same field, then the leguminous crop with its nitrogen fixing bacteria enriches the soil with nitrogen compounds and increases its fertility. And when another cereal crop like wheat is grown, after that, then wheat can utilize this extra nitrogen from the soil for its growth. In this way, rotating different crops, that is leguminous and non-leguminous crops in the same field, replenishes the soil with nitrogen naturally and leads to increase in the crop production. Now, mixed cropping. In this method, two or more crops are grown together in the same field. The crops are so chosen that they benefit each other. A cereal crop like maize is grown with a legume crop like pea. The maize is benefited as the soil is rich in nitrogen because of the legume.